everyone, today's video is about Thalipeet recipe Maharashtrian style. It is very easy to make. It can be had for lunch or dinner. You will need grated carrot, finely chopped onions, sugar, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, curry leaves, fresh coriander leaves and wheat flour. You can always play around with the veggies that you want to add. Water and 2 tablespoon oil. First I'm going to take a big bowl, add in all the ingredients one by one. Next, I'm gonna give it a really good mix. Next, add in the oil and mix well. Start kneading the flour into a dough, adding water whenever required. Once the dough is ready, spread out parchment paper and add in about 2-3 drops of oil. Start by taking small portions of the dough and spread out with the help of your palm on the parchment paper. On a hot tawa, place the thalipeet upside down, slowly removing the parchment paper. Let this cook on both the sides evenly. Add in 1 teaspoon of oil if required. Once it's cooked, remove it in a plate and you can repeat the same for others as well. Have it with a little bit of butter and a bowl of curd sprinkled with black salt. Thank you guys for watching. Do follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to watch more such videos. See you in my next. Bye bye.